Mumi wa anya bone. The kulo munsuo ni. The flame tami mu ya. And dola 2nd January. 2nd January and dra. Me drive akwa man kesi akotoka atai. Na patrol fo hu me ginai. O hwe me ka ni mu no. Police ni say on me ma to we at me back seat. Bisu mi mkuta we ma to me back seat. Na okopon we chire mo back seat. Bisu mi to we to wo but no say ma to we at wo e ma na mo hu ti police ni ba ko e bo me mienu. Say me kan kwale bat bisu mi to we bia to achi wo no ye. Mo ji risk 5 million. 5 million no mo ji ye no. Me ni time am be court. Me court ani me kuro mu nsuo na yesu oni me kuro mu no me court ni na yesu me ni mbra me court me so me nkuta wi na me toto ati wo o si me kuta wi na me toto so no me ko point wi ni kire me na o me ankof na mo give 5 million and o sa police nsa ba ko sa e bo me ka ho me ni mbra me court me court ni me kuro mu nsuo eti me ya sam no e be ma me kuro mu nsuo e wadi ama me Nana Yesu, no wadi ama me. Nana. Me ba ya body nana. O nana, tamimu ya me na me gina ha nana. The atin nana ndra
was bid with $219 billion US. What am I saying? Omodi $219 billion na this is second na wo na enso to na ba bia achoko no awakosisi akwesa ayi water flow basa sa water flow na odi esi ho se wama second ba be Dubai no. Look at how many interchanges are on course to be built in Ghana. MPP Babe see 5 interchanges.
Nobody is talking about that. Course. Nobody is
talking about it.
Do you know that? Whatever the government is doing, nobody is talking about it on social media.
The communication is weak. The communication team is weak. Yeah. Look at what now there people make some to the whole airport now. Mahama Kosi or Fanny Day. One room see was on a whole airport. Cohesive almost transforming it into a better airport. But NDC are using it for propaganda. So do
you know something? Because of whole airport and Kumasi airport, now the bro have Doma King also is now fighting against the Kufa to come and build also airport.
Maybe Ghana form will feel that man, okay, that man or NDC since then, and yet he's an NDC man. I have some videos. I think that will be going to, I will try to get to FedEx and participate with his programs. I have some videos of that man years back when he was campaigning for NDC. So now he has put off the NDC shirt. He's in connection with the Mahama, and they're trying to capture the mindset of the Doma people so that he will win all the seat in Doma in the next election. Tricks, strategy. Tricks and strategy. But we all know this.
Francisca say me country. Me blow for the same any do the same. Okay. Umbasa Ghana for it. They make country. Doma hina no. Unim say was soon a Kufa fidie or soon MBB for fidie. But o many mamoso. Edi entina make us obeso wa chiwo mo say. So met me airport wa ma voter region for e bia Kumasi a omume bi o show mo so maybe mo so wo met me anya na tese wo de gina so mo mato abatia MPP but MPP for ni momos
brother mameka se mo kum Sunyani airport is almost at its complete mameka twi Sunyani airport no mo yes ya wie nti onu nya na sem de na mpese men come on to ho asene se man no eye NDC ni person enti no or the osunsum fidie se de be ya obetimi ache domafo ene bonfo adwen se akofo adonya abampa enti e wayi na nima
asana no waka anu na minim
kasa NDC ni mapa.
Obesana na promise bibi na wantimi anya na ode gina so osori atia wo.
What did brother Messi ayi Sunyane airport na nya de bia enye assistant to yi Sunyane airport na juma guso e koso Sunyane airport ye wo Sunyane airport wo ho amanfo ye ho adwuma dia omu enche ombetimi awie but nipa sa ohene no oye ndisi ni bi ono no person fa na nimu nsie na onye den onye campaign ma ndisi wodoma area ne bono ahafo area the according so one mahama ewo contact enti sa sika na okọ chiche ma amanfo ne na asefo no nyina no nyina yi sika ya ndc fo na the sponsor no underground when we say you know we are used to the chief it's the chief can sama yenjina chinje sorry obanhene kan sama we all support enti ndc fo na atoma no oye omuni padada enti omodi sika e feed no underground to say omodi ye face the country for na so that we capture the mindset of the people in the Doma area. A fact. Do you understand what I mean? Me see a fact. The video show why he was endorsing John Mahama in video campaigns together with John Mahama. I don't know NDC before Kora, but I dare Yana say one. So Doma pa now what the MPP government has done in Doma. Now what man winning some kind of Facebook show yeah ane ho I'm sure me man sure baby am fu ye full supporters of MPP. You understand what I mean? Me I think a reason and say me party be a my party achi say na MPP for ye dey I can change my mind and search for a different place to go. Baby am me free ye MPP for pa ensu ko ekroma the omaye ne doma no ho omonye half okura we krom se udru doma ye na doma ka akwan ebi akwan ye ko nkurasi
eno wo sam na metia make
omonne ka akwan bi ko nkura nkete bi ye artifact be se udru doma ye na odo nsa be hye wanum because of MC na owo ho no oni MPs na omo area no omunyina combine together with the help of Akufo-Addo Abai udru doma odo nsa be hye wanum. So, and I wonder why I said so after all this civil development, their cost will never anymore. Or some so still have that hatred. So the back side tia Doma or the cassette Akufo-Addo. Nini say, or no NDC. The man is an NDC man. But he can say
Obi say they said the man no man loans and this is fast and man loans so that by ya about or no one to NDC ya David who said David omudi atama ya wa inform taichi and penfo taichi and anu taichi sa wa hene no ana yes I also no ababodi said David Frema Tinigona yentie wo mu
Pacho on say freedom factors no mo from brother me to be honest as a reasonable person better freedom factors share no me myself I wanted to be part of it because now I was thinking say bia the ideology was to support the government saying kebet me actually government na adwena si niema binum anya den enko yie na nkanani aba ho but Mr. D na me who say NDC